Good afternoon, my Facebook friends. I'm sure you're wondering, what is Rosie up to now? Why is she on this video? And the reason I'm on this video is to share with you what I have been doing, and that is reorganizing my sewing room. Now, I know for many of you, that is like, oh, a prospect you don't want to encounter. But, you know, sometimes you do need to uh, do that so that you see what you have and what treasures you find when you do that. I have some new treasures and I'll be talking about them this weekend when I do a new video to talk about my new projects for the coming weeks. But for now, I just wanted to let you know or let you see what I have in my room.